Muri iyi video ngiye kubabwira uko wakoresha English tenses uko ari 12. Muri English habamo ibice by'ibanze bitatu: past, present and the future. Present yonyine yifitemo ibice bine: present simple, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Kugira ngo ureme present simple ufata subject ugateranyaho verb. For example, I remember. Muri English ukoresha present simple ushaka kuvuga facts, habits and schedules. For example, this is my smartphone. Cows produce milk. The heart pumps blood. He learns English every day. I drink water in the morning. My father watches the news at 7 p.m. The bus leaves at 7 a.m. The flight departs at 6 p.m. The term starts in September. Present continuous iremwa ufata subject ukongeraho verb to be ukongeraho verb ukongeraho ing. Muri English present continuous ikoreshwa iyo action runaka irimo irakorwa ako kanya ikiba. Urugero: I'm speaking on camera. You are watching this video. Present perfect ikorwa ufata subject ukongeraho have cyangwa se has ugateranyaho past participle. Dukoresha present perfect iyo igikorwa cyabaye muri past gifite icyo kivuga kuri subject. For example, I have studied English for 2 years. Having studied ni igikorwa cyo muri past ariko gifite icyo kivuga kuri subject aka kanya kiyigaragaza ko yize Icyongereza. Ibi bikaba bivuga ko ushobora no gukoresha present perfect ushaka kugaragaza experience cyangwa se uburambe bw'umuntu mu kintu runaka. For example, she has had breakfast already. She has lived to Canada. They have never been to China. Present perfect continuous iremwa ufata subject ugateranyaho have cyangwa se has ugateranyaho been ugateranyaho verb ukongeraho ing. I have been learning. Present perfect continuous ikoreshwa iyo igikorwa runaka cyahereye muri past kigakomeza kidahagarara kikagera muri present. For example, I have been learning English for 5 years. She has been singing for 3 hours. They have been traveling since Monday. Nk'uko twabonye present, past nayo ifitemo ibice bine: past simple, past continuous, past perfect continuous. Past simple ikoreshwa gusa iyo igikorwa cyatangiye muri past kikanarangira muri past. For example, I worked last night. He ate eggs for breakfast. I lived in Canada when I was a child. Past continuous ikoreshwa iyo igikorwa kimwe cyatangiye muri past gikomeje, naho icya kabiri kikaziramo hagati y'icya mbere kitararangira. For example, I was teaching when the phone rang. We were living in Canada when we got engaged. He was running when he caught the ball. Past perfect yubakwa ufata subject ukongeraho had ukongeraho past participle. Iyi kandi past perfect inakoreshwa iyo igikorwa cya mbere cyabaye muri past kikarangira hagacamo akanya gatoya hagakurikira igikorwa cya kabiri. For example, when I entered my office, Sarah had already gone to the market. I had already booked the ticket when the match sold out. Past perfect continuous yubakwa ufata subject ugateranyaho had ugateranyaho been ugateranyaho verb ukongeraho ing. Kandi past perfect continuous ikoreshwa iyo igikorwa cya mbere cyatangiye muri past kigahagarikwa n'igikorwa cya kabiri. For example, I had been studying before the exam arrived. She was happy because she had been preparing for the event. Future tense. Future tense nayo irimo ibice bine: future simple, future continuous, Future perfect, future perfect continuous. Future simple ikoreshwa iyo igikorwa runaka wizeye yuko kiri buze kuba mu gihe kiri imbere. For example, I will call you. He'll be there by 6 p.m. Ikindi kandi will ishobora guhindukamo ill. I'll study. Will come. Hari ubundi buryo kandi ushobora kugaragazamo future. Urugero, going to, gonna. I'm going to call you tomorrow. Gonna, he's gonna be there by tomorrow. Ikindi kandi twongeraho will ivuga kimwe na going to. Future continuous uyikora ufata subject ukongeraho will be, ukongeraho verb, ukongeraho ing. Future kandi ikoreshwa iyo igikorwa runaka twizeye ko kiri buze gutangira ku gihe runaka kikanarangira ikindi gihe runaka. We will be having lunch from 12 to 1 p.m. I will be teaching all afternoon. Ikindi kandi future continuous ushobora kuyikora ukoresheje we are going to be having lunch from 12 to 1 p.m. I'm going to be teaching all afternoon. Future perfect yubakwa ufashe subject ugateranyaho will have ugateranyaho past participle. For example, I will have finished the assignment by the time lunch is ready. Future perfect ikoreshwa iyo igikorwa runaka kiri buze kuba mu gihe runaka kikaza gukurikirwa n'ikindi. For example, they will have come home by the summer. Future perfect continuous. For example, she will have been driving for 6 hours when she arrives. Future perfect continuous ikoreshwa igihe ushaka kuvuga yuko igikorwa muri future kigomba kuba cyarangiye ku gihe runaka. James will have been working 30 years for the company when he retires. Congratulations, you mastered English tenses. Now, continue practicing English. You will speak it.